Do you want to buy a standalone or tethered VR headset? Start with our tested, recommended picks that let you step into another dimension on console or PC. Virtual reality is a fascinating way to travel using nothing more than the power of technology. With a headset and motion tracking technology, VR lets you look around a virtual space as if you're actually there, or play a game as though you're in it. There are many products available to choose from best VR headsets, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices to help you make a perfect decision. I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best VR headsets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. MetaQuest 2. The Oculus Rift was the first big name in the current VR wave, arguably because it made VR remotely affordable. Although Facebook bought Oculus and has been phasing the name out in favor of Meta for both its VR platform and the entire company's name, the Oculus roots run deep. The MetaQuest 2, formerly the Oculus Quest 2, is a standalone VR headset as of June 4, but has since cut it back down. With the announcement of the upcoming MetaQuest 3, it's still inexpensive for a VR platform, though, and you don't need any additional hardware attached or cables running out of the headset. It's powered by mobile components, specifically the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset, and that's enough to run compelling VR experiences. It also has an incredibly robust library of those experiences, so you'll find something that entertaining. The Quest 2 can be used as a tethered headset if you buy the right accessory and have a powerful PC. The link cable is a 5-meter USB-C cord that lets you connect the Quest 2 to your computer. Number 2. MetaQuest Pro. MetaQuest Pro unlocks new perspectives in work, creativity, and collaboration. Multitask with ease with multiple resizable screens so you can organize tasks, work on new ideas or message with your friends. World-class counterbalanced ergonomics and our sleekest design let you wear the headset for longer in premium comfort. High-resolution mixed reality pass-through uses full-color sensors to let you see and engage with the physical world around you, even as you connect, work, and play in virtual spaces. Share your true emotions and reactions with real-time natural avatar expressions. Meta avatars translate your natural facial expressions into VR, so you can bring your true personality to meetings and gatherings with friends. We love MetaQuest 2 for presenting a powerful VR experience without any cables. It helps that it's relatively inexpensive, but its hardware is also aging a bit. The MetaQuest Pro addresses the latter point at the literal cost of the former. Its display is better, its controllers are better, its processor is better, and it features eye and face tracking. It's also over 3 times the price of the Quest 2, which is why the Pro part is in the name. Number 3. DPVR E4 VR Headsets. PC VR headset with controller. Unlock immersive gaming experience. Featuring a leading resolution of 3664 x 1920 pixels, DPVR E4 assures you brilliant clarity. With a wide 116 degrees field of view, FOV, you will see more of your environment and spot the target first. To give you a more seamless and fluid visual experience, DPVR E4 VR headset is designed with a 120Hz refresh rate, so that you may react faster with lower latency in your game. High clarity, wide FOV, and low latency, what required for an immersive gaming experience. DPVR E4 made efforts and fulfilled. Fast and precise tracking. Adopting inside-out position solution, DPVR E4 headset has 4 cameras, achieve 240 degrees ultra-wide-angle coverage, built into the headset to track your body movement, with no external sensors required. 6DoF tracking system offers you a more accurate, stable, and realistic gaming experience. With the help of 2 ultra-light handles, you will feel like playing with your own hands. PS. 1 AA battery required for each handle, batteries not included. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.